Hello everyone. Today I have a box. I have a box in my hands. I have a box in my hands. There are many things inside this box. Today I will show you what is in this box. Are you ready? First, I will open the box. I will open the box. The box is open. The first thing I will show you is a marker. Marker. This is a marker. The marker is green. The marker is green. There is a marker in the box. The next thing I will show you is a wallet. Wallet. The wallet is red. There is a wallet in the box. The next thing I will show you is a book. This is a book. The book is many colors. It is blue, purple, pink, white, and gold. This is a book. There is a book in the box. The next thing I will show you are headphones. Headphones. These are headphones. The headphones are black. The headphones are black. There are headphones in the box. The next thing I will show you is a camera. Camera. This is a camera. The camera is black. Black. There is a camera in the box. The last thing I will show you is a key. Key. This is a key. The key is gold. Gold. There is a key in the box. Now I will close the box. Close the box. Today I showed you what is inside the box. There were many things inside the box. Okay, everyone, that's all for now. Thank you for watching. Bye.